Hey, I'm Graf from Aircon Solutions, and you might be in the unfortunate situation where you may have a eZone screen or a MyAir screen that is doing things or not starting for you. So you might find that it might come up the word Android across the front of the touch panel, or it has the AdvantageAir square of death, as I like to refer it to anyway. So with this little video, we're going to talk about how we go about taking the touch panel off the wall and try and do a power reset, or if you need to change it, what you would do to do that as well. All right, so options you can do is you can push the power button, push and hold that, and it may give you the option to be able to reboot the screen. In this example, I've got the AdvantageAir square on the screen, and I'm not going to be able to reset it. So one of the other ways we can try and do a reset is the touch panel, we want to turn it to a 45-degree angle. So in on the wall, you've got a bracket holding the unit or the touch panel on the wall, and you'll see there is actually slots at the 45-degree angle. So what we need to do is we turn the touch panel gently to the 45-degree angle, and then we'll gently be able to pull it off the wall, and then we'll have the Ethernet cable plugged in behind, powering the touch panel up. So what we can do, we can take that off. Now what I'll do is I'll recommend to take that off and leave it off for the next 5 or 10 or 15 minutes and just let it power down. Some of the touch panels actually had a battery in the back of them, so the longer you leave it, the better it is to guarantee they powered it down. Then when you've done that, what you do is go back, you reconnect it, so you're making sure you're plugging the plug in correctly, and you're hearing the click when it goes in. Again, rotating it on a 45-degree angle, so it reconnects back onto the wall again. Obviously, I know this one won't power back up because I know it has a fault. So in this case, if you've gone to and purchased a new touch panel, we'll do the same process. Obviously, you get your new touch panel, you remove it from the box. Now, it doesn't make a difference if it's the eZone screen or the MyAir screen. They have both the same bracket that holds them onto the wall. So you take the touch panel off the wall. No need to power down the system while you're doing this phase. You take your new touch panel, reconnect it, and connect it back on, and then from there, wait about 30 to 40 seconds. The screen should then power up, and then it will go into the next phase, which is obviously we need to go through and set it up. Now, to understand how to do that, we've got a series of videos that can assist you with the setup and reprogramming of your touch panel. And I'd like you to, if you'd like to, click on the link below. You'll be able to move on to watch those videos to assist you with the setup of the screen. As you can see now, we're going through the startup procedure of the Android panel. We've got our AdvantageAir square. It will move on from there into the main screen. And that will give us ability to power up. One other ways you can reset it is if you go to the switchboard and turn off the power and ensure that the touch panel powers down. That's another way. If taking the touch panel off the wall is not an option. I have seen it where the touch panel has been installed first, and then other devices or other things have been fitted around the touch panel, making it almost impossible to get the touch panel off the wall without removing half the things from the wall. So as you see now, this touch panel is now powered up, and we'll be able to open the app. We'll be able to move on to the next steps in replacing that touch panel. Click here to jump across to our online stores so that we can help you supply you this part that you've been watching about. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful and helpful, give us a thumbs up, because this is the way you're going to be able to make sure that you stay up to date with all the latest content that we produce and give out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. For those who have a question or want some advice on your situation, please leave a comment below, and we're more than happy to help you, or you may even find we do a video just on your topic. So we look forward to your comments. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information that we're providing and doing the videos on, push on the bell so that you can actually get the notification from us every time we upload a new video, because it might be just what you're looking for to make your system a little more efficient or help your clients to have a better outcome with their system. If you're facing some challenges yourself with your system, or you need some support, wiring diagrams, parts, more information or tips on how to get the most from your system, please feel free to go across to our website or our social media channels, and we're happy to talk to you and help you with your situation. The more that you follow, the more content you'll be able to absorb, and we'll be able to help you with your situation. Look forward to helping you soon, and have a great day.